Hello all, good morning. So hope everyone is doing good, safe, no impact of a snowstorm measured, but still we have few things. Actually everything has some returns. So the beautiful cinematic first world country does have these type of problems. The problem like the snowstorm will come, your car will get blocked in the snowstorm, and then you have to keep tracking these hard snows with a shovel, work very hard to get back to the normal lifestyle. You can see my gate is also blocked, not ready to open, asking me to stay back at home, and my car is blocked and definitely this is not my work, but I will have to do. I'm hunting for a shovel with my neighbors, and then I have to get all this snow off. There are some good smart neighbors of mine who have already got them cleaned, but yeah, there are some more who are still working on it, and this one is the best.